Hello everyone, greeting from snowy Switzerland as the first snow blanket the ground and Christmas inches closer. I couldn't resist bringing a frosty friend to life in a different shape. Today I am sharing the process of creating this adorable snowman with a twist. I started with a simple idea: what if snowmen weren't always round? That thought led me to experiment with different shapes: a classic circle, a quirky triangle, a playful square, and well, something a little between. Each snowman took on its own personality as I sketched them out. For their scarf and head, I used Brushpen to add bold, vibrant details. I loved watching each snowman's personality come to life as I layered those rich colors. The triangle snowman with the pink scarf definitely has some holiday sauce, don't you think? Next, I added subtle shading to the snowman with a Prismacolor pencil. As you know, this pencil is my favorite. And here, this step is one of my favorite. It gives the snowman a soft, frosty look that almost makes them feel like they are out in the snow with us. Then I painted the background using watercolor. I choose a unique color for each snowman: pink, teal, purple, and blue, to make them stand out while keeping a cozy winter vibe. Watching the watercolor blend and flow is so relaxing, don't you think? And now for the moment of truth. Removing the washi tape for those crisp border, or so I thought. As you can see, there was a little mishap with the paper tearing. But hey, it's all part of the artistic journey, right? Imperfection make the process real and relatable. Here they are, the four snowmen in all their quirky glory. From the traditional to imaginative, these snowmen represent a playful twist on a winter classic. The square snowmen especially make me smile. It's fun to reimagine tradition in our own creative way. If you are interested in buying this material for your drawing, the buying link in a description, or feel free to ask me in a comment. I will share it with you. Also, if you love unique wall art or art print, don't forget to check out my website Artdimple91.com. I'm sure you will find something perfect for your home or as a holiday gift. Thank you so much for watching. If this video brought a little holiday cheer to your day, let me know in the comment section and tell me which snowman shape is your favorite. As the snow keeps falling here in Switzerland, I am feeling more inspired than ever to create a festive art. Until next time, Stay warm and creative.